Hi riders, if you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycles news, action, and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club. Hey bikers, welcome back to Bikers Club channel. And today we're putting the spotlight on a bike that's been turning heads, especially for beginners, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. Before we delve into why this bike is a top pick for those embarking on their riding journey, now let's dive in. First and foremost, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is a stellar choice for beginners. It boasts a classic cruiser look that's not only stylish, but also approachable for riders of all experience levels. The low seat height and ergonomic design make it easy to handle, instilling confidence in new riders from the start. Now let's talk strength. The Meteor 350 is powered by a robust and reliable single-cylinder engine, delivering a smooth and manageable riding experience. With 20.2 bhp and 27 nanometers of torque, it strikes the perfect balance between power and control, ideal for those who are just getting used to the throttle. When it comes to riding dynamics, the Meteor 350's handling is smooth as silk. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the open highway, this bike provides a comfortable and stable ride. The telescopic front forks and twin shock absorbers at the rear ensure a plush ride, absorbing bumps and making it an ideal cruiser for long journeys. Another standout feature is the easy-to-use 5-speed gearbox. Shifting is a breeze, making it a great bike for beginners to learn and master gear changes confidently. The linear power delivery and well-spaced gear ratios contribute to a forgiving and enjoyable riding experience. Let's not forget the price. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 comes at an affordable price point, $4,699, making it an attractive option for those who want a quality cruiser without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 ticks all the boxes for a beginner-friendly and strong motorcycle. Its classic design, manageable power, and comfortable ride make it an excellent choice for riders who are just starting their biking adventure. If you've got thoughts on the Meteor 350 or if it was your first bike, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And of course, subscribe for more motorcycle content. Ride safe, ride strong, and we'll catch you in the next one.